So this hasn't been seen in quite a long time in a video. This is a 1981 Lasko Galaxy 12-inch oscillating table fan with the blue blades. This one I got off eBay back in the summer, early spring of 2019, for $50. I paid an astronomical amount of money for this. It was ridiculous. Yeah, so it's a pretty good fan. It has its issues. It doesn't run the best anymore. It runs kind of slow sometimes if it's used a lot. But other than that, it runs okay. I'll start off on low so you can see run. It's quiet. That I am going to give it that. It's low. Make a quick video because it's kind of late to making fan videos. It's like 8:33 at night. Medium. And high. I'll put it sure on the back here. Has a handle molded right into the back grill. When I first got this fan, this used to have an awful noise, like a knocking noise. And with just some use, it obviously just went away. I don't understand it, but just stopped doing it one day. So I was like, okay, fine. Guess it's working properly now. And off. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and God bless. Bye-bye.